tradingstrategy.com.
Hi, this is Chris again, looking at the upcoming trading session for Monday, October 27th. I have the economic calendar in front of you. Pretty light day, really. What we're looking at are two things now. The German Ifo Business Climate number, 1043.3 that is, for October is anticipated. Could move the DAX and the Euro, of course. And then after that, we have pending home sales out of the United States for the month of September, anticipated to gain 0.5%. Beyond that, it's more or less a technical session. But with that being said, let's take a look at a couple of charts. First chart I have ahead of you is the S&P 500. You can see that we have had a very positive session yet again. We pulled back to 1940, found enough bullish pressure to shoot above 1960, and it looks like the S&P 500 will continue to grind much higher. With that, I look to buy calls on pullbacks. We are getting a little ahead of ourselves at the moment, I think. But nonetheless, you certainly can't buy puts. This is a market that looks like it's going much higher. The euro dollar continues to find trouble, and on Friday we found it at the 1.27 level. We pulled back to form a shooting star, and as a result, we think the market will probably go to the 1.26 level, possibly below there, given enough time. A breakdown below 1.26 ounces, looking for 1.25. Nonetheless, we think short-term rallies will continue to be put buying opportunities, as the euro certainly looks destined to much lower levels. Gold markets had a slightly neutral session, and I believe that we're starting to find a little bit of support here. If we get below 1220, I am a put buyer. If we find a supportive candle between here and there, I might buy a call. Right now, there isn't enough on this chart to make that decision, but we are definitely approaching an area where I would anticipate the support to pretty much have to come in. If it doesn't, then gold's going much lower. It should be stated that the weekly candle is a shooting star, though, so you kind of have to think that perhaps we are going lower, but it's not until 1220 that I feel comfortable buying put. And finally, with those German business numbers coming out, the climate numbers, the fact that we formed a hammer on Friday right at the 9,000 euros level has me thinking that it's a call buying opportunity, probably heading back into the previous consolidation area, which really goes to about 10,000, at least 9,800 at this point. So either way, a break at the top of this candle has me buying calls. I think we'll probably go much higher. We might have a few bumps along the way, obviously, but if we re-enter this consolidation area, that's a very strong sign. With that being said, I've taken a look at the Monday, October 27th trading session.